Hello, Ollie. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
I have your test results.
Oh, really? How did I do?
You did well. You got 18 out of 20.
Yay! I'm so happy.
Good job. But you made two small mistakes.
Oh, what were they?
In question 4, you wrote goes instead of go.
Oh, yes, I remember. I will be careful next time.
That's great. Learning from mistakes is important.
Thank you, teacher. I will practice more.
Do you need help with anything?
Yes. Can you explain question 7 again?
Of course. Let me show you. Look at this sentence.
Oh, now I understand.
Excellent. Keep working hard.
I will, teacher. Thank you so much.
Now that you understand question 7, do you want to try another one?
Yes, please. I want to try question 10 again.
All right. Read the question out loud.
Fill in the blank. She to school every day.
Good. What's the correct verb form?
I think it's goes.
Excellent. You got it right this time.
I made a silly mistake in the test.
That's okay. We learn from our mistakes.
I will be more careful next time.
That's the spirit. Now, let's talk about your writing.
Sure, teacher.
Your handwriting is very neat.
Thank you. I try to write clearly.
That's very important. Neat work shows effort.
My parents tell me the same.
Do you enjoy writing stories?
Yes, I like writing about animals and superheroes.
That's fun. You have a good imagination.
Thank you, teacher.
That's great. Why do you like science?
Because I love learning how things work.
Very nice. What topic are you learning in science now?
We are learning about plants.
Can you name the parts of a plant?
Yes, root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit.
Excellent. You're a quick learner.
I study with my mom at home.
That's wonderful. Keep it up.
I will, teacher.
Do you read books at home?
Yes, I have a few storybooks.
Reading helps you become a better speaker and writer.
I want to speak English fluently.
You will. Just keep practicing daily.
I speak English with my younger brother.
That's a great way to practice.
Sometimes he makes me laugh when he says funny words.
Learning should be fun.
Yes, it is. Would you like to read a short story now? Yes, I love stories.
Let's read The Clever Monkey.
Okay, I am ready.
Once there was a monkey who lived on a tree.
I've heard this one before.
That's okay. It's always good to read it again.
The monkey was very smart.
Yes. And what lesson did you learn from this story?
Think before you trust someone.
You're welcome. Now let's write a few sentences.
Sure.
Now write one sentence about yourself.
I like to read books.
Good job.
Is my spelling correct?
Yes, everything is perfect.
I'm so happy.
You've worked hard today.
I enjoyed the class a lot.
That makes me happy.
Can we do another story tomorrow?
Of course, we'll read The Lion and the Mouse.
I love that one.
Great. Do you have any questions before we finish?
No, teacher. Everything is clear.
Wonderful. Then you may pack your things.
Okay.
What's your plan for the evening?
I'll help my mom and then read my book.
Sounds like a good plan.
Thank you for everything today.
You're very welcome. Keep smiling.
Always.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Keep learning and keep growing.
I'll do my best.
Ollie, do you like helping others?
Yes, I like helping my classmates and family.
That's a wonderful habit.
My father says helping is kindness.
Your father is right. Kindness makes the world better.
I want to be a kind and smart person.
And you're already on the right path.
Thank you for always encouraging me.
Do you eat healthy food at home?
Yes, my mom cooks vegetables and rice.
That's very good. Healthy food keeps your mind sharp.
I also drink milk every day.
That's great for your bones and body.
I also play outside for 1 hour.
Exercise is very important too.
I like running and playing cricket.
Nice. Sports help build teamwork.
My friends and I play after school.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at p.m.
That's the right time. Sleep gives you energy.
I wake up early in the morning.
Very good, Ollie. You're following a good routine.
My teacher helps me stay on track.
I'm proud to be your teacher.
That makes me very happy.
Do you ever get nervous before a test?
Yes, sometimes I do.
That's normal. Just take a deep breath and try your best.
I will try that next time.
Good. Confidence comes from practice.
I'll keep practicing every day.
Do you like poems?
Yes, I like short, fun poems.
Can you recite one?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, and so are you.
That's a cute one.
My sister taught it to me.
You're lucky to have such a nice sister.
She helps me with reading.
Reading with family is a great habit.
Sometimes we read stories together at night.
That's beautiful. Do you read aloud?
Yes, we take turns.
Very good. Keep doing that.
I will. It makes learning fun.
Ollie, remember, every day is a chance to learn something new.
I'll remember that, teacher.
You're growing into a bright young boy.